Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Riddle Doodle. Ready for another set of riddles? Well, better put your thinking cap on and let's get on the video. First riddle. A man is trapped in a room. The room only has two possible exits, two doors. Through the first door, there is a room constructed from magnifying glass. The blazing hot sun instantly fries anything or anyone that enters. Through the second door, there is a fire-breathing dragon. How does the man escape? This is a little bit tricky. The answer does not involve anyone getting roasted. The countdown is almost ending. Finalize your answers. The answer? He waits until nighttime and then goes through the first door. Did you get that? Wow, good for you. Here's another one. The second riddle is, a doctor and a bus driver are both in love with the same woman, an attractive girl named Sarah. The bus driver had to go on a long bus trip that would last a week. Before he left, he gave Sarah 7 apples. Why? Come on, get those neurons working. This is easy. The time's up. Let's find out why. The answer? 'Cause an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Nice going there, Mr. Bus Driver. Are our answers the same? Well, we have a master thinker. We still have another one. Here's the third riddle. I am something people love or hate. I change people's appearances and thoughts. If a person takes care of themselves, I will go up even higher. To some people, I will fool them. To others, I am a mystery. Some people might want to try and hide me, but I will show. No matter how hard people try, I will never go down. What am I? This is a hard one. Ready for the answer? The answer is age. Did you see that one coming? Wow, really? Congratulations! Well, that's all for this video. I hope we got your brain juices flowing. What do you think of the riddles? Let us know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next episode of Riddle Doodle.